Yeah, this event is a great national event. I was here last year and it's great to see the interest, particularly given all the policy changes that have occurred over the last year. It's a good opportunity to get everyone in the same room and discuss manufacturing skills. Yeah, it's great to be part of a growing industry at the moment. I see the evolution over the next year, over the next 10 years, really being about diversity in the sector from both a female perspective, but also bringing in other diverse and multicultural avenues. I also see the way in which the qualifications work changing. So we'll see, I think, a lot more integration between some vocational micro-credentials and higher education, which will provide great pathways for those that start in the industry as apprentices.
I'd really like to see an advertising campaign showing the complexities and the great things that we've got going in manufacturing at the moment there. I think a lot of people really are in the dark about it and think that as soon as the car industry went offshore, that we haven't got anything here. We've got a great base of manufacturers here, and I think it just needs to be highlighted to the general public.